Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your Etsy shop to Shopify. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply all you need to do is just to go to install some apps that are going to uh, respond or answer to our need. So basically, we can go to the apps, and from here we go to app in sales channel settings, and by that we will click on Shopify App Store. After that, we need just to search for some Etsy integration. Basically, as you can see, we can find them from here, or you can simply search for Etsy, and then you can choose any one that you would like. I would recommend Etsy integration Quick Sync. So I will click on this one, and from here, we can connect Shopify and Etsy with QuickSync. We can click on install, and after that, we will begin the installing process. So from here, we can click on install, and we will wait for the application to be set up. And when it will be done, we will be able to connect it. So after that, you can try these plans so you can be able to inventory sync in, import, export products, etc. Otherwise, you can try the other application or integration, and from here you can click on install, and it would have also some plans, etc. So you can click on install, and you can try to use this application too. So from here, it will tell you you can use the free trial, and then you will be able to start connecting your Etsy integration or your Etsy store with Shopify store. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.